Dealing with achy joints, brain fog, or constant fatigue? Imagine one natural remedy that tackles inflammation, sharpens focus, and boosts heart health, all from a spice sitting in your kitchen. Meet curcumin, the golden superstar in turmeric that's making waves in the health world. But here's the catch. If you don't use it right, it's just yellow powder with no real benefits. Wondering if you're missing the secret to unlocking its full potential? I'm breaking it all down. Why curcumin is a health powerhouse, how it works so effectively, a keto-friendly recipe your whole family will love. Science just revealed a brain-boosting twist. Stay tuned. If you've tried turmeric before, smash that like button. Let's see who's already on board with me today. Turmeric's been a health hero for thousands of years. Ancient healers in India ground it into golden pastes to ease pain and boost energy, all thanks to curcumin, the powerhouse compound hidden inside. Imagine traders carrying this vibrant root across deserts and oceans. It was a prized treasure back then. Fast forward to today, and turmeric is stealing the spotlight once again. People online are raving, "Curcumin wiped out my joint pain in just days. It's incredible." And science agrees. A 2015 study found that curcumin reduces inflammation like a pro, while a 2019 study revealed its brain-protecting powers. This plant evolved to fight off pests and germs, and now it's fighting for you. Ready to uncover why it's pure gold? Let's dive in. Love sprinkling turmeric into a sizzling pan? Sure, it smells amazing, but here's the problem. You're destroying its benefits. Curcumin, the golden hero in turmeric, breaks down fast under high heat. Overcooking? Total deal breaker. It zaps turmeric's power into thin air. Skeptical? You're not alone. One user shared, "I cooked with it every day and felt nothing. But when I kept it raw or low heat, my energy skyrocketed." And science backs it up. A 2018 study confirmed that heat reduces curcumin's effectiveness by up to 70%. The key? Keep it gentle. Your body will feel the difference. And if you think turmeric pills are the easy way out, hold on. There's a sneaky mistake most people don't even realize they're making. Taking curcumin on its own, that's a rookie mistake. Your body struggles to absorb it effectively. Curcumin is tricky. It passes through your system too fast unless you pair it with black pepper. Why? Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that boosts curcumin absorption by up to 20 times, according to a 2017 study. People have learned this the hard way. I took curcumin alone and felt nothing, but when I added black pepper, my joint pain improved almost overnight. Skip the pepper and you're missing out on curcumin's full potential. Combine them right, and you've got a winning formula. And here's the kicker. There's an even bigger mistake most people make, and it's a game changer. Sprinkling turmeric here and there whenever you remember, that's not going to cut it. It needs the right dose and timing to truly work its magic. Use too little, inflammation won't budge. Skip a consistent routine, game over. A 2020 study found that 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric daily is the sweet spot. Anything less just doesn't deliver. People are realizing the power of consistency. The key, nailing the dose and sticking to a schedule. Get it right and your body will thank you. And guess what's coming next? Your body's about to get a major upgrade. Stay tuned. Dealing with achy joints or a cranky gut? Curcumin is here to save the day. It targets 5 major inflammation triggers, putting arthritis, bloating, and any itis in their place. Pro tip, take it with dinner and you'll wake up with less swelling and more energy. Is your heart racing or your blood pressure creeping up? Curcumin to the rescue. It protects the inner lining of your arteries, where clots and plaque love to cause trouble. A 2019 study found that curcumin reduces arterial plaque by 15%, keeping your blood flowing smoothly. It tackles LDL cholesterol, the bad stuff that clogs your arteries. People are seeing real results. My blood pressure was through the roof. This brought it down fast. And here's something wild. In a lab study, curcumin helped a rat's heart live 30% longer. How amazing is that? Feeling like your brain's stuck in a fog? Here's the game changer. Curcumin is a total brain ninja. It blocks MAOB, an enzyme that messes with your focus. It boosts BDNF, a protein that helps grow new brain cells. A 2021 study found that curcumin can reduce Alzheimer's plaques, clearing the fog and bringing back sharp thinking. People are feeling the difference. My thoughts were all over the place. Now they're laser focused. Plus, it fights brain inflammation, which can even lift your mood. And guess what's next? Your gut and eyes are about to get some love. Struggling with bloating or pesky gut bugs? Curcumin is your ultimate gut hero. It calms inflammation, speeds up healing, and annihilates harmful bacteria like a pro. And that's not all. Balances blood sugar for steady energy, binds to heavy metals, flushing them out for a total body reset. Dealing with blurry vision or pesky allergies? Curcumin has your back. It reduces inflammation in your eyes, keeping them clear and bright, while also tackling skin issues like eczema and acne. It's even a wound-healing wizard. Cuts and scrapes? They disappear faster with curcumin's magic touch. And that's not all. Its antioxidants act as your body's defenders, keeping you sharp, strong, and full of energy. Ready to make the magic happen? Here's how. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric or curcumin powder with a pinch of black pepper in warm milk or a dairy-free alternative. Add honey for sweetness. Turmeric paste. Blend turmeric with water and a dash of black pepper. Simmer until thick and store it in the fridge. Add a teaspoon to smoothies or meals. Topical use. Mix turmeric with coconut oil for a soothing skin or wound treatment. Your eyes, skin, and whole body will thank you. Ready to enjoy a delicious curcumin-packed meal? Let's whip up some keto butter chicken. Ingredients: 1 pound juicy chicken thighs, skip breast, it dries out. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoons turmeric for that golden glow. 1 teaspoon chili powder for a kick. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. 2 garlic cloves. 1 inch ginger. 1 onion. 2 ripe tomatoes. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 50-gram butter. 100 milliliters heavy cream. Fresh coriander for garnish. Instructions: marinate the chicken. Slice the chicken thighs into bite-sized chunks. Mix with salt, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, cumin, and fenugreek leaves. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Make the puree. Blitz garlic, ginger, onion, and tomatoes into a smooth, silky puree. Cook the chicken. Heat olive oil in a pan, then brown the chicken for 2 minutes per side. Get that sizzle going. Add the magic. Drop in the butter and let it melt. Pour in the puree, rinse the blender with a splash of water, and stir it all together. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring halfway. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Finish with cream. Swirl in the heavy cream for a luscious finish. Top with fresh coriander. Pro tip: if the sauce is too thick, add a tablespoon of water to smooth it out. Curcumin is proving to be a total game changer. A 2023 study suggests it might boost BDNF, a brain growth protein, and help fight Alzheimer's, keeping your mind sharp as you age. One doctor even said, "This could be a mind saver. The potential is huge." Researchers are now exploring whether curcumin can double your energy levels or enhance your skin's glow. People are feeling the effects firsthand. My focus feels laser sharp and my dreams feel bigger than ever. Want to crush life or stay mentally sharp? Curcumin might just be your golden edge. Tell me in the comments, what's your goal? Tackling inflammation? Boosting heart health? Sharpening your brain? Subscribe for more health gold, whether you're a fan or a skeptic. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Check out the links below and let's see where this golden journey takes us.